VLOGMAS day 20.
Last day, we done, we tired, we ain't vlogging no more.
What's shaking, y'all? We doing them prime rib fibs on the grill. Check them out. Yeah, prime rib fib. Yeah, it's pretty chilly out here. It's cold, not chilly. So, and on the grill. So Feb had me put the stuff on the grill.
First of all, it's not Feb.
Prime rib Feb.
Damn right.
That's that thing that I was using the other day to.
This doubles as a zucchini noodle spiraler and a
funnel.
A funnel.
A funnel.
Now I got this from Walmart. I actually, when I was doing grocery pickup, I ordered a different one, but I guess it was out of stock, so they sent me this one. I like this one, but the only problem with this one is you can only use small zucchinis. You can't, like, it's only a certain size zucchini you have to buy. And I know that this looks like a lot, but one, it's going to cook down, and two, I just want to use up the zucchini before it goes bad. So if I don't use it now, it'll go in the trash. But I have some Alfredo sauce. I'm going to do some garlic, butter, Parmesan, Alfredo, salt, pepper. You know, the regulars.
Woo! She's smoking. Let's see what we're looking like. Ooh, we on fire. Let's go ahead and get them flipped over. Look at that. Yeah, they're looking all right. So they get in there. Don't want them, don't want to overdo them. I'd rather them be under than over. So, pulling double duty.
All right, so I added my Alfredo, some minced garlic, a couple of mushrooms because they're Dre's favorite.
No, not.
And some Parmesan cheese. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off so it stays a little bit al dente. And I'm gonna go find out who's calling me.
What up, y'all? So, today is VLOGMAS day 20.
Last day, we done, we tired, we ain't vlogging no more.
Whoa.
I forgot it's a family channel.
Whoa. Slow it down. Back it up. We ain't saying we ain't vlogging no more. You done went all willy-nilly. This is what happens.
Here or there.
She went from zero to 1,000 real quick. We ain't doing no more Vlogmas. We tired of doing Vlogmas.
It ain't y'all fault.
We quit. We both quitting right now on Vlogmas. That's that. Peace out. Subscribe and see what we do next.
We're subscribing for we quit.
We quitting Vlogmas, but we might do some other stuff.
How we quitting when it's only 2 more days though? See, this is like I start feeling guilty. Like we can't quit. It's only 2 more days.
That's like winning the lottery. And she's like, I don't really.
You're digging your freaking elbow into my knee right now. Okay.
Like, that's like winning the lottery and saying, I don't want to quit yet because I don't want them to have to do my work for me because I'm gone. No. Done. Over. Bye. No
Soccer
more.
And long-term goal. Y'all, I need to go on Wheel of Fortune because I solve puzzles.
So, Vlogmas is done. We ain't doing no more Vlogmas. Bye. Holla at us in the new year.
Bye.
We'll probably see us tomorrow. But we ain't doing no more Vlogmas. Vlogmas is done. We both quit. Peace.
Well, the water's coming in next to me. Tell me all your fantasies. See, life is like a movie, and I'ma show you things you probably never seen before. The world is yours, let's go and explore. The world is yours, let's go and explore. The world is yours, let's go and explore.